It's Saturday morning and winter's hit us, folks. Yeah, it's 44 in here. I seen a little ice outside, so obviously it got colder than that last night. I think like 27. Anyway, I ain't got much time for chit chat. I need to get my old truck out and I gotta make a run. Alright, what I gotta do is move this lawnmower and move that Harley, and I'm gonna fire this one up. It ain't run in a while. And it needs to. Well, I guess I won't be taking that truck anywhere. I don't have enough time to get this thing running. The battery's dead, which is fired up, but now it's out of gas. I just ain't got time, so I'll have to take something else. I'd take that, but Mama's going with me and they ain't got no heater, and it's 30 degrees, so that ain't gonna work. And that one's full of stuff, so that ain't gonna work. I guess I'm just gonna have to take that. Well, this is what I got all hot and bothered to go get. It was 40 bucks, and it worked. I also bought a Husqvarna 55 chainsaw for 40 bucks. I haven't got that running yet, but it's got good compression. Alright, so I got this running, pumped up the tire, put some gas in it. I need to let it warm up. I need to blow some of these leaves off it. And I got the old hog running here too. She ain't been running in a while. I've been running up and down the street here, waking up all the neighbors. I'm sure they appreciate it. Alright, here's an old trick if you don't feel like jacking it up. I got a flat tire, so I guess I better pull it off there and fix it. Well, I guess that's why it's leaking. Valve stem. Daggone it. Wonder if my little tire changer thing there will do. Let's see. I brought this plate of steel home a while back, and I've been meaning to tack weld my tire changer to it. I just ain't never did it, but now's as good a time as any. Right? I think so. Alright, these two welding rods, 7018s, have not been in an oven. They've been sitting outside. So, it probably won't burn too good, but it might be good enough for this. I'm just going to zap it on about 4 welds. Well, I didn't knock the flux off, and there ain't no TikTok welds, but I'll be alright. I think it'll be alright. Ain't meant for a dually rim, but let's see if we can't make her work. Once the air gets out, that is. Actually, I'm a little surprised how easy that was. Let me see if I got a new valve stem. Here, I did have a new one. I even had the little valve stem tool to pull it up through there. And that's only because I bought a bunch of junk at an auction one time. Alright, now let's see. Did I fix it? No more bubbles. In this case, no bubbles is good. Well, now I'm out tooling along in my Trans Am. I went to a buddy's house and he gave me that. It's pretty cool, huh? And some injectors, which I probably don't need, but I'm gonna keep, and I appreciate it.